The investor presentation begins with the company name and the company logo. This is the first interaction that the potential investor has with your business. It creates the first impression. A business name is going to need to be somehow relevant or captivating or memorable or something of that nature. But more importantly, the logo. This is your image. It's the brand you're putting out there. An investor presentation, in essence, is a sales presentation. You're trying to convince others as to the value that you're offering and the value inherent in what you're doing. Well, in that way, you have to convince them that, one, you're capable of doing it, and two, that real value exists. Part of that is perception. So with perception comes image and brand. So the company logo is the first step in that direction. You are establishing your company's brand before you've even said a word about what you do, the value proposition, the market, all of those other things that you're going to get into as part of the business presentation. So one, deliver the company name, but in conjunction, deliver the company logo in a unique, professional looking manner. Now, what should you do to develop a company logo? Well, you should run it through the same sequence that you would for product development. You should come up with concepts and ideas. You should talk to third parties, see what they think about it, get their feedback, integrate their comments, keep working with it. And once you're down to a concept, then have professionals, have graphic designers, have artists work on your logo to help you develop something that's going to be, in a way, representative of your business and appeal to others based upon the value proposition that you want them to perceive. A great place to go find people who can do this, the designers and artists who can actually bring this to life and can help with the ideation process in terms of giving you examples, is the website 99 Designs. It allows you to post a project like this, company logo developed, and have sample logos submitted to you where you can pick the one or group that you like and work with them further for them to develop the concept further, and ultimately you go with the most suitable logo, and that's the individual that you've agreed to pay. You've posted money for the project and the individual who wins the project, and they'll do some revisions and work to get down to the final concept. But before you start that process, once again, there's an ideation and a back and forth between your stakeholders as to how they see the company, what your brand should look like, how it should be represented visually. So this is the company logo, why it's important, and this is the very first part of the investor presentation.